So in this video we will discuss the concept of barrel shifter circuit. So barrel shifter circuit, it is a digital circuit that can shift a data word by a specified number of bits without the use of sequential logic. So we are using a purely combinational logic. Okay, so this barrel shifter, it is a digital circuit that can shift a data bit by a specified number of bits. So let us consider a 8-bit barrel shifter. So a 8-bit barrel shifter has an input A which is of 8 bits, so it is denoted by this slash. Then the output Y is also of 8 bits. Then the shift, the amount of shift is denoted by the signal shift. So this signal shift for a 8-bit barrel shifter will be of 3 bits. So if we see the truth table of this barrel shifter. So I am taking an example. Let's say the input is 1101 and 0010. If the input is 1101 and 0010, so this is a 8-bit input. Suppose if the shift is equal to 1, the shift is equal to 1. So what will happen is this 0 will come here. So this 0 will come here. So it will become 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So as you can see, 1 bit out of these 8 bits, 1 bit has shifted because shift was equal to 1. So this 0 came here and rest was as it is 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 and this 0 came here. Suppose if this was the same input and the shift was equal to 2. If the shift was equal to 2, written by 0, 1, 0. So if the shift is equal to 2, then what will happen is these two will shift. These two will shift. So it will be equal to, first what will do? This 0 will come here, then this 1 will come here. So it will become 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so first this 0 came, then this 1 came and rest other 6 bits were as it is. So 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Suppose if this shift is equal to 3. So now 3 bits will be shifted. So 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 will be written as it is. This 0 will shift first, so it will come here. Then this 1 will shift, so it will come here. Then this 0 will shift, so it will come here. So it will become 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Suppose if this shift is equal to 4. If this shift is equal to 4, then 4 bits will be shifted. So 1, 1, 0, 1 will be written as it is. Then first this 0 will be shifted, so 0. Then this 1 will be shifted, so 1. Then this 0, then 1. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. If suppose this is equal to 5, then 5 bits will be shifted. So 1, 1, 0 will be written as it is. Then this 0 will be shifted, then this 1, then this 0, then this 0 and finally 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So in this way the shifting will happen. So this is a very simple concept of a barrel shifter. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and if you have any feedback you can post your comment in the comment box. Thank you.